Every day you speak words that shape your destiny. Yet most people have no idea they are writing the script of their lives with every casual comment, every offhand remark, every repeated phrase that rolls off their tongue without a second thought. You see, there is a hidden truth that few understand. Your subconscious mind is like a faithful servant, listening to every word you speak and taking orders from your lips. It does not judge whether your words are wise or foolish, true or false. It simply obeys. When you declare something repeatedly, your subconscious accepts it as law and sets about making it so in your outer world. This is why the woman who constantly says, "I'm always broke," finds herself perpetually short of money. This is why the man who jokes, "Nothing ever works out for me," discovers that indeed, his plans seem to fall apart again and again. They have unknowingly written scripts of limitation for their lives, and the universe is simply following their directions. But here is the wonderful news. Just as your words can create conditions of lack and difficulty, they can also create abundance and joy. The same law that binds can also liberate. Once you understand this principle, you hold in your hands the power to rewrite your entire life story. Let me share with you what I have observed over many years of helping people transform their circumstances. Every person carries within them what I call their word patterns. These are the phrases they repeat without thinking, the comments that have become second nature, the descriptions of themselves and their lives that flow automatically from their lips. One woman came to me in despair about her health. As we talked, I noticed she repeatedly said things like, "I'm always catching something, and I have such bad luck with doctors, and my body just can't seem to heal." She had no idea these words were instructions to her subconscious mind to maintain her illness. Her casual speech was the very script that kept her bound to poor health. Another person complained of loneliness while unconsciously declaring, "Nobody understands me, and I'm always on the outside looking in." He wondered why he remained isolated, never realizing his own words were building walls around him. You might be surprised to discover what scripts you have been writing. Perhaps you find yourself saying, "I can never remember names," or "I'm terrible with money," or "Good things don't happen to people like me." These seem like innocent observations, but to your subconscious mind, they are commands to be carried out with absolute precision. The subconscious mind does not argue with you. It does not say, "Are you sure about that?" It simply takes your word as final authority and proceeds to create circumstances that match your declarations. This is why your casual words are far more powerful than you might imagine. Think of your subconscious as a recording device that captures every statement you make about yourself and your life. It plays back these recordings as your lived experience. If the recordings are filled with limitation, struggle, and defeat, that becomes your reality. But when you change the recordings, you change your life. The first step in rewriting your life script is to become conscious of the words you are already speaking. Most people are unaware of their habitual phrases. They speak automatically, repeating the same limiting statements their parents spoke, or the same defeated words they learned from disappointment. Start paying attention to your casual conversation. Notice what you say when someone asks how you are doing. Listen to how you describe your circumstances, your abilities, your prospects. Do you hear yourself saying, "I always," or "I never," followed by limiting statements? These are the scripts that need to be rewritten. Here is a powerful exercise. For one full day, carry a small notebook and make a mark each time you catch yourself speaking words of limitation. Do not judge yourself harshly for this. Simply observe. You might be amazed at how often negative scripts slip from your lips without your awareness. Common limiting scripts I have heard include, "I never have enough time," "Money doesn't grow on trees," "Life is hard," "I'm getting too old for that," "You can't trust anybody these days," and "If it weren't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all." Each of these statements is an order to your subconscious to create more of the same condition. Now comes the exciting part. Once you identify your limiting scripts, you can begin to rewrite them. This is not mere positive thinking. This is understanding that your words are creative forces that shape your world. When you change your words, you change your experience. The process is simple, but requires consistency. Every time you catch yourself speaking an old limiting script, immediately cancel it and replace it with its opposite. If you hear yourself saying, "I never have enough money," stop and declare, "I always have abundant supply for all my needs." If you say nothing ever works out, correct it by stating, "Everything works together for my good." At first, this may feel awkward or even untrue. Your logical mind might protest that you are lying to yourself. But remember, your current circumstances are the result of your old word patterns. You are not lying. You are choosing to write a new script that serves you better. One woman I knew always complained that she was unlucky in love. She would tell anyone who listened about her terrible relationships and how men always disappointed her. When she learned this principle, she began to change her story. Instead of rehearsing past failures, she began to declare, "I am blessed with loving relationships, and the right person is drawn to me now." Within months, she met a wonderful man who became her devoted husband. Another person struggled with his career, constantly saying, "There are no good opportunities out there," and "The economy is terrible for people in my field." He learned to replace these scripts with, "Wonderful opportunities are seeking me," and "I am in demand in my field." Soon he was offered a position better than he had ever imagined possible. The key is to be specific in your new scripts. Instead of vague statements like, "Things will get better," create clear, positive declarations like, "I now attract perfect health," or "Money flows to me easily and abundantly," or "I am surrounded by loving, supportive people." Make your new scripts personal and present tense. Say "I am" rather than "I will be." Say "I have" rather than "I hope to have." Your subconscious responds best to statements that assume the good is already yours. Here is another important point. Your new scripts must be spoken with feeling and conviction. Words mumbled half-heartedly have little power. But words spoken with faith and authority set the creative law in motion immediately. Speak your new scripts as though they are already true, because in the realm of infinite possibility, they are. Some people ask me if this really works, or if it is merely wishful thinking. I can only tell you what I have observed. Every person who consistently changes their word patterns sees corresponding changes in their life circumstances. The law is impersonal and exact. Change the cause, which is your habitual speech, and the effect, which is your experience, must change as well. This does not happen overnight. Your old scripts may have been running for years, creating deep patterns in your subconscious. It takes time and repetition to establish new patterns, but I have seen remarkable transformations occur within weeks or months of consistent practice. Remember that you are not fighting against your old circumstances. You are simply choosing to write a new story. Do not give power to appearances by arguing with them or feeling discouraged by current conditions. Instead, persistently speak your new script, knowing that your words are seeds that must eventually bear fruit. The most important script you can write is one of gratitude and expectation. Begin each day by declaring, "I give thanks for all the good that comes to me today, and I expect wonderful things to happen." End each day by affirming, "Tomorrow brings even greater blessings." These words create an atmosphere of receptivity that draws good to you like a magnet. Your words are more powerful than you have ever imagined. They are not merely sounds that disappear into the air. They are creative forces that build your world day by day, word by word. Every casual comment is a brick in the structure of your life. Every repeated phrase becomes a permanent feature of your experience. You have been given this knowledge so that you might use it wisely. No longer need you be a victim of unconscious speech patterns that create limitation and struggle. You can become the conscious author of your life story, writing scripts of health, prosperity, love, and fulfillment. The pen is in your hand. The blank page awaits. What story will you write with your words today? Choose carefully, for your subconscious is listening, and it will make whatever you speak come to pass. Begin now to speak only words that heal, bless, and prosper. Guard your tongue as you would guard treasure, for indeed it holds the key to all the good you desire. Your new life script starts with the very next words you speak. Make them words of power. Make them words of blessing. Make them words that write a future filled with all that your heart truly desires.